Before we get started, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the notification bell icon. Hey people, let's talk about AND operator and OR operator. I'm into employee table and I want to get all the records where marital status equals S and gender is equal to female, that is F. So for that I can just give where marital status equals S and I can just use AND operator. I have to give AND keyword and I can just say gender equals F, that is female. So if I just execute this, it will give me all the records where that person is single and the gender is female. So you see it is S for all the records, and you see for gender column you will be having only F. And let's say I want to get all the job title. So first let me only execute the selected condition without giving where clause. So if I just comment out this, let's say if I just comment out, and in this case you see we have lot of job titles. Now if I want to know all the records where either job title is design engineer or it can be research and development manager, then in that case I can just give where job title equals, and let's say design engineer. So I can just say design engineer, or I can just say that job title equal to research and development manager. And if I execute this, if I just execute this now, you see I'm getting 5 records, and you see either the job title is design engineer or we have research and development manager.